Namaste everyone. In this video, I am going to explain division of polynomials of standard 8th in mathematics. As we know, there are different kinds of polynomials. Those are monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. And then each one of them can be divided by one another. So there may be different kinds of division also. Let us take first example related to a monomial when it is divided by a monomial. See, minus 5z square is going to be divided by root 5z. We can write it like this: minus 5z square divided by root 5z. This one is given question. We have to solve it. We have to divide minus 5z square by root 5z. For this, we are going to solve it. Firstly, we will write this question in this way. Implies that minus 5z square is divided by root 5z. Implies that firstly take constant terms in a group and variables in other group. Now it will be minus 5 by root 5 and here z square by z. Implies that we can write minus 5 as minus root 5 into root 5 by root 5 is already here, and this z square can be splitted as z into z by z. Common terms will be cancelled, and then finally we get minus root 5z. This is division of monomial by a monomial. Now, division of a polynomial by a monomial. See, this one is a polynomial and this one is going to be divided by this monomial. We can write it like this: we can separate each term and those terms will be divided by this one. This is divisor. We can write it like this firstly, and then separate each terms. Each terms are going to be separated and they will be divided separately. Common terms will be cancelled. Constant part will be constant by constant and variables will be cancelled by variables. Q to the power 4 divided by q square. Q to the power 4 minus 2, that is q to the power 2 only. Minus is here, so it is here. Here common factors are cancelled. We get minus 2q. Minus is here, plus minus minus. 1 by 2 root 2. Here is also plus minus minus. This is our final solution of division of a polynomial by a monomial. In this way, this question is solved. Now, long division method. This one is a polynomial. We have to divide this polynomial by monomial, that is x to the power 5. by long division method. In this method, dividend is written here. This place is for dividend. This question is here, and this is divisor. I have written it here. Now, we need to multiply this x to the power 5 by such a number so that its product will give this number, and in this way first term must be cancelled. When we multiply x to the power 5 by 5, then we get 1, 5, 5, and x to the power 5, x to the power 5, 5 plus 5, that is 10. First term must be cancelled. Now symbol of product of divisor and quotient will be subtracted. This is cancelled. Now we get this part here. Again, this is multiplied by this number and we are getting this. Similarly, this is cancelled. This will be carried here and this will be carried here. And we see here degree of remainder is less than that of divisor. Degree of remainder must be less than degree of divisor. This is our final solution. This is divisor, this is dividend, this one is constant, and this one is remainder. Now come at factor method. Here we have to factorize, if possible, numerator and denominator both. This one is given question. We need to divide by this number. Firstly, write it like this. See, common terms, x square, x square. X to the power 4 can be written as x square, its whole square. Now put x square as y. Put this x square, this x square, this x square as y, 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 y. Now factorize this. 3y can be written as 5y minus 2y. In these two terms, y is common. We can write it like this. Here 2 is common in these two terms. Minus 2 is common. Now take common in numerator, that is y plus 5. We get like this. Y plus 5 into y minus 2 by y plus 5. This is common, it will be cancelled. Now we have y minus 2. Y minus 2. Y is equal to x square. So replace this y as x square. Now we get finally x square minus 2. Now long division method, divide a polynomial by a binomial. This is binomial, this is polynomial. We have to divide this by this. Here are two terms. This is given dividend, this is divisor. We multiply this 2p by such a number so that its product will give us 4p cube. 2p square, 2 to the 4, p square into p, that is p cube. This part is cancelled. Now minus 1 into 2p square gives us minus plus minus 2 p square. Now solve this. Minus 4p square minus minus is plus. Here is minus, this is cancelled. Here we have minus 2p square. 6p is carried here. Minus 5 by 2 is carried here. Same process will be here. Now we get finally 0. 0 plus 0, that is 0. Finally we get 0 here. In this way we get remainder as 0. Hence quotient, this is quotient 2p square minus p plus 5 by 2. Remainder is 0. Now division algorithm to check whether our division is correct or not. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now verify. Verification. LHS is equal to dividend. It is given. Dividend, it is given. And RHS is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is divisor, it is given in question. This is quotient, which is obtained by solving, and this one is remainder. Now 2p will be multiplied these terms, and minus 1 will also again be multiplied by these 3 terms. Finally we get like this. Like terms will be added or subtracted. We get 4p cube minus 2p square minus 2p square, that is minus 4p square. 5p plus p, that is 6p minus 5 by 2. We get same. Divisor into quotient plus remainder, this part, and dividend, this part, both are same. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. When remainder is 0, then divisor is factor of that polynomial. Here remainder is 0, so this divisor will be factor of this dividend. When remainder is 0, then divisor is factor of given dividend. We observe that remainder is 0, which means 2p minus 1 divides 4p cube minus 4p square plus 6p minus 5 by 2 exactly. So 2p minus 1 is a factor of 4p cube minus 4p square plus 6p minus 5 by 2. That's all. Thank you very much.